It is 11:14. Gosh, it's almost Thanksgiving. Anyway, we are stuck inside a range. There's a lot of chop going on here, which it's very difficult to try to trade this kind of chop because we just don't have any breakouts. But what we do have is we have a double top. Okay, so there's one. This is on the 4 hour. Here's the two. Kind of the rule of thumb there is if you're unable to break it, this is what happened with Bitcoin at like 59,000 or 69,000, and we decided to tank. So once it crosses this line here, it is a confirmed double top, and we will usually have a pretty big retracement here. And this is honestly what I'm hoping does not happen. If I can grab it, okay, because then the price is going to get us back inside this range right here, which is under 2,000 to 1,800 range. That to me would be a good entry for popping back up because we've got plenty of buyer support right here on this red line, right? So I don't think we're going to pass this line. I mean, this is a bunch of orders. A bunch of people do not want this to cross this line. This is on Ethereum, right? And it pretty much kind of follows Bitcoin here. But right now I am trading Ethereum. So this is what I'm going to show you guys. If you want me to show you more, I will show you Bitcoin, but that is it. You can see I've got a stop loss in. I'm barely in profit right now because I started bouncing off. I got in right at the edge where we've got the current price right now. So I'm pretty much at break even, but because I'm leverage trading, breaking even is not breaking even because I got to pay fees for the borrowed money. I've got lots of videos on how to leverage trade, how to leverage your assets. Like honestly, real estate is a really good way of leveraging your money. People that buy rental properties, most people don't know it, but that's how they're leveraging their money. You got like 10% down, and then you're able to have a 10x, 20x type your money where the bank give you stuff. So anyway, let me delete this line. And the stochastics on the hourly say potentially there might be a bounce off this 50. We will see right now. We've got almost a dragonfly candle here, but we did end up going a little bit lower if we zoom in even more. So if we zoom in even more, even on the 30-minute, maybe even the 15-minute, this is a lower low in the small time frame here, which is scary, meaning that we might get close to bouncing off of the bottom right here of where we had, what is that? That is 210. That's where my stop loss is at. I think it's actually 211. So I have a stop loss to where I am going to be wrong, because if it breaks that line, it's going to go a little bit lower for sure. But here, we might see this get close to here before it bounces. But it has been bouncing right now. It bounced way down there, small wick or long wick, and is going up. Now that's a hammer candle, which tells you something. But I could see 250 being the level of support right now, that or resistance. It's not going to want to get over here. But here, let me show you something else on the daily. Right here, we have a cross that is thinking of happening. This cross is important because that cross is the golden cross to show you that, hey, price is moving. Price is going to go up. We had a death cross here, and what happened? Price went down. If I back up, when was the last time we had the golden cross? Well, the golden cross was at 1,500, and we got all the way up to a little over 2,100. That's a $600 gain there. You know, that's almost a full 60% gain, which is crazy. I honestly haven't even looked at it on the weekly. How far is that? Is that the golden cross on the weekly? That is the golden cross on the weekly. So that tells you something right there, that we could be in an upward trajectory for sure. So right now, where should we be getting in? Well, honestly, you need to have a good stop. Where you make money is you make money on the buy. You don't make money on the sell. So the entry is the most important. So if you're going to play this level, well, you want to make sure you get in at a good price. And really, there's a fairly good price going on right now, as long as we don't break below this 2010. And if we break below that here, let me zoom out just a little bit back on the daily to see, because I feel good about my stop, but okay, stop is up here. Yeah, because then we're dropping right into this big choppy area again. So we're trying to hold that $2,000 range, and I think it will. I think it will. Rates, the Fed don't plan on raising rates in December, which is good. So this to me looks like just hang on for dear life. Like the picture in the background, you might not see it because it's early in the morning. HODL, hold on for dear life, hodl. That's what we're going to do. Till next time, this is Johnny Crypto. I'm here to help you guys make some money.